Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I would like to show us how to produce liquid soap with just two ingredients. When I say two ingredients, so today's liquid soap we are going to produce this with just two ingredients. You can imagine how that sounds, but I'm going to show you today how it can make this wonderful transparent and foamy liquid soap with just two ingredients. So I would like you to join us to the end of the video so you can understand the formulation we used for this production and the quantities of chemicals needed for this production. So join us as we proceed to the full production. So what I'll be adding first to my mixing bowl is Texapon. So I'm using Texapon for this production, and what I'm using is 600 milliliter of Texapon. So if you watch my previous video I made, you will see where I posted about how to make Texapon. So you can also check it out and know how you can also make your own homemade Texapon. I'm adding my Texapon to the mixing bowl first. Remember what I'm using is 600 ml of Texapon. So I'll add it to the mixing bowl. Make sure you wipe it very well to allow the whole Texapon be into the bowl. Remember that your quality formulation will determine the outcome of your products. You need to know how to formulate very well. So the next thing to add now to the mixing bowl is sodium sulfate. This is my sodium sulfate, and what I'm using is 300 gram. So I'm using 300 gram of sodium sulfate for this production. So I'll add it to the mixing bowl containing Texapon. I'll add it gradually and stir it together. So this is how we do it. You add and you stir it immediately. Make sure everything blends together. Meanwhile, if this is your first time of joining us in this channel, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook at Miracles Enterprise and also my YouTube channel at Miracles Enterprise. Don't forget to like this video and share it to your loved ones, and always remember to return back to watch most of our videos which we do on different kind of cleaning products and other cosmetics products also. So you stir it till everything is well traced. As you can see in the video, it is well traced and blended together. Before I now add my water, so this is my water. I measured 4 liters of water into the 4 liters rubber paint, which I'll be adding to the production. But one thing about this very production is the lower the water and the thicker it become. So if you add too much water, which means the liquid soap will be watery. So at the end of the production, because I want my soap to be thick, so I added 3 liters of water. So I later used 3 liters of water for this production. But one thing is, you add it little by little and you stir it together. You can even decide to use lesser water or even have more. But remember is the lower the water and the thicker it become. So as you add water, you stir it and you see that it's becoming more thick in your hand. The more you stir it become thicker. So you can decide to add more water. But after my production, then I measured the remaining water and I discovered I had 1 liter left. So once you add your water and make sure it is very thick, you stir it. You continue stirring As you can see in the video, the more you stir, the more it becomes thick. So that is the secret of this production. If you do not watch it to this extent, you might miss a lot. So do well to watch and make sure you watch to the last point so you can know how we do this production, then also you see the outcome of the production. Please don't forget to share this video. If you love it, comment on the comment section and also like it. Tell us what you feel about this production and the next product you would like us to teach us in this very platform. So after stirring for some while, your liquid soap is now gradually getting ready. It's now time for you to add your additives. So your additives such as your colored and other things like your perfume. But if you don't want to add color and perfume, you can leave it. It's not under must. Color is optional, but perfume is very okay if you're the type that like perfume very well. So you add it and make it so that it will have a good fragrance. But first of all, you add your color, but remember, always remember to dissolve your color with water before adding it to the soap. As you can see in the video, I dissolved my color first before you now add it. So now the next thing to add, which will be the last thing, is our perfume. So you add your perfume. What I added to the production is just 20 ml of perfume. So you add your perfume, then you stir it. So this is the last thing. After stirring it, you cover it up, allow it to stay overnight. That is 24 hours before you open it. You see all the bubbles on the soap will be clear, then you see the real soap which you have produced. So here comes our final result. Our wonderful liquid soap made with just the ingredients. Look at how clear and transparent it is. So do well to like this video, comment and share to your loved